In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Google Chat in Gmail, a straightforward process that will provide you with more control over your messaging preferences. Let's dive right in, starting from the top. First, we'll navigate to Gmail by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL bar, mail.google.com. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so with your Google account credentials. Make sure you have those handy. It's essential to gain access to the Gmail interface, where we'll make all the necessary changes. Once you're in your Gmail account, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon. This is the gateway to all your settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll select the option labeled See All Settings. This will open up the main settings page where we can adjust a variety of preferences. Let's direct our attention to the tabs at the top of this settings page. What we're interested in today is the Chat and Meet tab. Clicking on this tab reveals all your chat options, ensuring that you have complete control over your messaging services within Gmail. Now, under the Chat section, you will see a few options. The first one is Google Chat. Selecting this option will integrate Google Chat right into your Gmail interface, placing chat and spaces conveniently in the left sidebar for easy access. But perhaps you're a fan of the older interface. In that case, you may choose Classic Hangouts to revert to the original version, if it's still available. However, if you'd rather not have Google Chat in your sidebar at all, simply select Off, which will remove chat and spaces from your Gmail view entirely. Once you've made your choice, there's one more button to press: Save Changes. Click this, and Gmail will promptly refresh to reflect the changes you've made. If you've enabled Google Chat, you'll notice the Chat and Spaces options appear in your left sidebar. Alternatively, if you opted to disable Chat, you'll see that those sections have been neatly tucked away. Now, here's something useful for later. Should you decide down the line that you want to switch back or change your settings again, the process is a breeze. Just repeat these steps, select the option you prefer, whether it's to enable Google Chat once more or change any other settings, and hit Save Changes. Your Gmail will update automatically, adjusting to your new preferences with ease. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you have the flexibility to customize Gmail's chat features as it fits your workflow and personal preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.